YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing due for this good old Wednesday. We almost made it, guys. The week is almost over. Have mercy. Hopefully everyone's safe down in Florida and Panama City, PCB. Yeah, hopefully you guys are safe down there. I don't know what I would do in that situation though. Definitely some scary stuff I see on the news. But could be. Today we have an Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could check them out. Link will be down below. You guys could get one at a low cost. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime. Oh jeez, fast shipping. I almost judo chop ya. Oh, this is coming from Veepeak. Veepeak on Amazon. So let's see what they have to offer you guys. And check out the other goodies they have to show you also. Link will be down below. And of course, any discount codes will be down at the bottom. What is this? Oh, nice. These are always good to have. Might want to grab a couple. 42-inch LED. We got the lights. Rechargeable LED motion sensor. See, I would need like at least 12 of these. Be great to have it running down the stairs. And take one of those power banks with you. Charge them up as you go. These look nice. Kind of like a movie theater setup. So, we shall see how that goes down the future. But definitely, I like these. You can put them in your closet. Anywhere pretty much. Cabinets. Whoa, there's a nice long cord right here. Oh, yes. Won't need that right away, I don't think. Hopefully it's charged a little bit. Come on out. Veepeak. Veepeak to the rescue. Let's see. Oh, got the sticky stuff. Ooh-wee. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's nice. It's like in a hospital, you see. You know what I mean? Come on. Oh, turn. Oh, there's a little push button. Oh, don't tell me it needs to be. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. See what I mean? You can have it in your closet. Maybe like a lighting for your camera. For vloggers, bloggers. Don't look in the light. Bam! I like this nice steel chrome finish. Got the 3M adhesive. Ooh. Gotta shut that off. And there's a little sensor right there in case you walk past it. Yeah. Maybe it needs to be installed. But this is a really nice one. Definitely well made. And there should be like an auto. There's a USB where you need to charge. See, easy turn off. Turn on. Boom. So check them out. Veepeak on Amazon Prime. Get one of these nice lights. Look at that clarity. Oof. Bam. Alright, sorry about that. Last time, tell ya. One more, but that's what it looks like. That's a little, maybe for closet. But like I said, I need at least 12 of these to do my stairs. That look nice. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Make sure you guys check them out when you guys have some free time. And take advantage. Get a few of these for your house. Nice little stocking stuff for somebody. Housewarming gift. Alright. And to the next one. See ya.